How can we identify and select projects? In Six Sigma, there are various methods to select projects. The first method, we call it a top-down approach. Here we have this key business plan or operating plan of an organization. These are opportunities available to reach the goals. So let us take an example. There is an organization which has currently turnover or revenue of around $500 million, and within 2 years of time they want to reach up to $2 billion. This is the business plan that they have a broad level. Now to reach to this from 500 million to $2 billion, the organization may have to improve at several levels. For example, the order processing activities may have to be improved, the customer complaints may have to be reduced, and so many other things. So this is called top-down approach. You have current some level of the organization, you want to reach at next level in the future, and to bridge this gap, what are the opportunities that you would like to seize, and you identify projects from there. So these are called top-down approach. There is another approach which is called bottom-up approach. Your organization is already facing some problems or errors, you have some dissatisfied customers, or there are a lot of inefficiencies in the plant. These are the issues that need immediate attention of the organization. So we can also identify Six Sigma projects from these opportunities. So this is called bottom-up approach. Let us take an example. A manufacturing company has a lot of machines, but the overall equipment effectiveness of the machine is only around 60%, which means that they are not using fully the potential of the equipments available. If they want to improve overall equipment effectiveness from 60% to 85%, which is very important, and then in that case we can identify that also as a project. Another approach to identify Six Sigma project is balanced scorecard. Many companies use balanced scorecard methodology to identify Six Sigma projects. Here we have the vision and mission and values of the organization, and there is a SWOT analysis, which is strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. So the organization is scanning internal environment and external environment. From there they come out with the long range strategic goals or plans. These long range strategic goals or plans are then converted into short term strategic goals or plans. Let's say, for example, long range strategic goals can be for 3 years to 5 years, whereas short term strategic goals or plans can be for 1 year. In this kind of scenario, organization not only identifies project from the financial perspective, but they identify projects from 4 different aspects. The 4 different aspects are like this: the customer related goals and measures, employee related goals and measures, shareholder related goals and measures, and process related goals and measures. So in each of this category they try to identify Six Sigma projects, not only from financial perspective. So this could be probable Six Sigma projects. Examples are like, for example, in customer related goals can be reduce customer complaints or improve customer satisfactions. Employee related goals could be to reduce the employee retention ratio. Shareholder related goals could be to reduce the cost of the operation, and process related goals could be improve the process capability or improve overall equipment effectiveness of the machines. Hoshin planning or X matrix is another methodology to identify Six Sigma projects. Hoshin is a Japanese word which means policy deployment. This is also called X matrix because when you create this entire sheet, when you complete this entire sheet, it creates a like image of a X, English alphabet X. That is why it is also called X matrix. Here what we do is we convert long range objectives into manageable improvement projects. Let us take an example. There is a company which has a long range objective that they want to get Shingo price or Shingo model by 2020. They want to achieve 50% market share by 2018, and they want to achieve revenue of 200 CR by 2019. This is the 3 to 5 years objective of this organization. Now this is converted into annual objectives like this. So in order to achieve the Shingo price, they have identified objective like this, that they want to reduce all the process waste by 50%. So this is the goal for 1 year. Develop 5 new product is another goal they have set, and achieve revenue of 100 CR for next 1 year. So in order to achieve 200 CR by 2019, this year they have to at least achieve 100 CR. And as we see here, there are some dots put over here. There is a black dot and white dot. So black dot represents primary connection between 3 years objectives and 1 year objective, and this white dot represents secondary connection. So how strongly it is connected to each other. So here, for example, achieving 50% revenue is connected with this goal, which is develop 5 new products. And if you see here, achieve 100 CR is connected with both this as well as this. So that this is actually, this dot represents the connection, how strongly they are correlated with each other. This annual objectives or key management index is then converted into top level improvement priorities. So here if you see, they have mentioned increase availability of the equipment by 50%, reduce customer complaints by 50%, reduce design and development time by 50%. And there is a correlation. And in further phase, they will convert this into a manageable improvement projects. So for example, if you want to reduce the customer complaint by 70%, the project is something like this. So this is the project title. The project title is reduce defects in B line by 70%. So this is the one particular project. Another project they have identified is, for example, increase availability of the equipment by 50%, which is then the project is like this. The project is reduce the setup time by 50% in line B. That is the project they have. So here you can see the annual objective is converted into important priorities and manageable improvement projects. In this case, we also identify who will be working on this project. So Mr. A, B, C, like that. So this way we can identify how many projects we are going to take, who will take this project, and what is the correlation of these projects with the long-term strategic objectives of the organization. So this is a very good tool to identify Six Sigma projects.